So this is it. I mean, this is what you're looking at is all they have right now. Granted, I have not really shown you much, except for, you know, was it 3 minutes and 47 seconds of the game with some sick monster music. This would be a little more exciting. So I totally understand if you're like, well, where's the stuff at, MikeB? Don't worry, I got yous. Well, actually, I don't know. I mean, it's a roguelike, so since it's all randomly generated, I might not got yous, if you know what I'm saying. But what I know is that I am just killing it with XP. No! Get away. It's doing some damage. Oh, now I have a formidable opponent that has joined the. Oh, never mind. Notice whenever I roll, it says immune. Oh, good. It keeps the guy at bay, kind of. Be happy to get rid of all of that stuff that's up on that ledge and use that ledge to my advantage. You know, kind of like how I'm using this platform down here to my advantage. Okay, there's a weird looking monster thing coming. Yoink! Alright, I'm out. Let's continue exploring! Oh damn, no fall damage. Actually there is fall damage, I've jumped off much higher. I think it was in the fall too, actually, if you're curious. It's painful. So I have $303, and I know there's a place to buy stuff. Oh god, here we go. Whoa! Oh! Very slowly regenerating health, but 5 minutes. Doing good, man. 5 minutes. What am I gonna do with all this time that I'm earning? Oh no! Stuff spawning all over the place. Oh, try again. Oh, ouch! Ouch! Damn it. Okay, I should go to the very top. Yes. I should also jump next time I want to do one of those things. Oh god. Oh god, I can't make that jump. And he does some serious damage. Let's go, let's go.